Gemuno ndiye fafano gito Gitahi Dorcas gathuri kau wherever
gakonyita ugeni ringi na these are the few times JJ anaririkana kana kwaria no shamba munene uria wendo wake kuri his mom Agitariria na kiria gitumaga ahe nyina gitio kia mwanya muno na kia muthemba uyu
gukora mami murwaru. I wish ni araigua tondu she is my pride.
Yes, tutigana na hau.
It's okay. Ungikorwo tari na muthuri na nduri na mbeca atire ritwa ringi ungigirirwo
no mumaraya
na ungikorwo kiri na ciana na ndukiri muhiku na gutire na mbeca kwanyu muci ucio koragwo munyarare nginya ni ngui yumaga miri mwena igoka guthuguma hanyu. I want to acknowledge my mother, that decent farmer, a single mother who cannot celebrate me now. She is just sick and incapacitated. Dagimenya kore ade, dagimenya gitio kira murahe. Thank you niko dehithia biru adhibitari. You are my brothers and sisters. I give you my hair diapers. Thank you for keeping my mom alive. Some of you help me to pay the nurse and doctors. I'm what I am because Mommy Dorcas. She disciplined me. She educated me single-handedly. She's a fighter. I take all the tribute. Nage kenoge akwa gyo the kyomuthi. Daki heana kwi mami. Ayo fitu kona nini na kuhudia single mother. Tire mwe kuingato thukuru ni tole mwana wa mutumia. Ndeto rago tukigato cukuru cia nire cia mundu muka. Jali toka jani turero tumire.
Yemo marawe.
Matiku mara me kucia mundu muka. You know, ritwa riu ni ritumite mwingato kwa mundu thamugo cio tukuthite siropova na iheto ceraga nacio. Muthuri waku agoka akangora kau kikihikia mundu muko cio kireka guku. Ngarekererio no tukuna ndire na mami menye ndio muci. Koguo nie na Jerry has been my friend in crime. Todo dethi kutha kuthe dirisha kahora nigetha hingurira. Yes, mami ndakamenye.
Na waigato ni undu wa mami.
Just because the mwana
mutumia. Tondari muthuri.
Simple. Mami. Thank you ni kuntiara. Tumia magia ciana na makaruta kana gaciara gate na karega kurera. No we single mother na wathomithirie webi na minya maru maingi na tukijirite dewi katore ingi. So you deserve this celebration. You deserve it. All the fun I would to have. Dako wishira we in your spirit. Kona rua. Ohiroke mushie. So I don't know what we na idiri. Kuma 2022 August. Ya mabia gitana. Goro yako ni genu. I would have wished to have the best 50-year birthday. But I counted the best because mommy is here. Name well, na roho wake ni uraigua.